I think there's, I'm going to speculate that there's a question about what do we do with the problem of pain? What do we do with the problem of pain? Well, that's probably more than we can get into in our last few minutes, but I'll attempt a few beginning thoughts. We develop a willingness to feel it. And we develop a willingness to lean into the pain, the suffering of ourselves and other people, to stop shying away from it, to stop avoiding it, to stop fixing it, but to start caring about it. And we begin to look for the message underneath the pain. Pain is like a warning light in your vehicle. It's telling you that something is not aligned and attuned with your well-being or the well-being of life. It is an invitation for attention. And it is, for me, it is a spiritual practice to attend to pain instead of numb out the pain. To be willing to move through the pain instead of avoid the pain or think that whatever is, associated with pain is bad and wrong. We definitely want to get discerning about what is amiss, what needs are not getting met, what is not serving life at the physical level, the emotional level, the psychological level, the mental level, the spiritual level, the energetic level, whatever level you're curious about. What is interrupting the flow of life? What is causing the suffering? And some of the work that we can do is to stop seeing it as bad and wrong without dismissing it as, well, that's fine, you should just be fine with pain. No, we're not going to be fine with pain. It's not enjoyable for a reason, but we no longer need to be afraid of it. We can get curious about it. We can use it as part of the data that we get about what is and isn't working. And then we can start investigating with an eye to what is unwell and how do we restore wellness? What will help? What is needed? What will alleviate? Like, the practice of compassion is the identification and recognition of suffering coupled with the desire to alleviate it. And in some ways, that's what we do with pain. Not only that, but pain is inevitable when you are in embodied form on this planet. It is built into the human experience. It doesn't mean you're bad. It doesn't mean somebody else is bad. It means that it's something we're meant to pay attention to and get more in alignment with life.